friends, Running Kimono here. So we're talking about more exciting clearance over at Walgreens and some cheap stuff, which we all love, especially when it's food related or detergent related. Don't we all love this? So just a couple points for you guys. Typically, clearance usually shows up in stores on Tuesdays or Saturdays. That's when they really start putting those orange stickers out. Don't be shy to grab one of these items if you see them in store and ask for a price check or ask the cashier or manager what's on clearance at this store. And a lot of stores already have a lot of the FIFA Dove items on clearance. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you see it in the clearance section, we have 10 off 2s or 8 off 2s that accompany them. So if you go surpass that price point in store, you can use those digital coupons. Going to be a faster, zippier video. I'm not going to bingo call everything, but coffee K-cups at this price point, really good, $2.99, $1.99. Lots of the food also on clearance. If these prices at 75% off are still a bit too much for you, you can wait, but I think it's probably going to go quickly. I think that when the average shopper sees some of these prices, especially if it's their favorite, like that Classico for $2.29, they'll just grab it. Some stores, these items are even cheaper than at this one store. Like that rice-a-roni item, I think at one store it was like 49 cents. But a lot of these canned goods, check expiry dates in case your item might have expired. But a lot of this stuff, the expiry dates wasn't until 2026, 2027. With the exception of the coffee, I noticed a lot of it was expiring in July or the end of the summer. So, yeah. Lots of candy as well. A lot of Walgreens brand candies, 50 cents, $1. Banana toffee. That sounds interesting. Spicy mango. Those things with the bananas were like everybody was looking for them a couple winters ago, but 99 cents, there it is. All of this viral stuff always clears out. We have the Siesta spicy salsa. They make a chip that's gluten-free, 10 out of 10. So I'm pretty sure that salsa at 50% off is probably a 10 out of 10. This peanut butter, the Skippy Crunchy, 99 cents in many markets, but that's what it looks like visually. It's a smaller container, but for 99 cents, I would definitely stock up. This Bounce Pet Fresh, 50% off for $6.29 for, 130 dryer sheets. This is the regular one that they have on sale this week, 4 for $10. And I was just looking at it, which is a similar product. But look at this, guys. It's only 30 sheets for that. So the other one for $6.29, even at 50% off, is better value. So don't be shy to look at the unit prices, just so you're not getting a bad deal. We have this Downy Ultra Clam at 50% off for $6.49. I got so much softener for like 25 cents at Dollar General, so I passed on all of this. A lot of skincare also really reduced down in price. We have this CeraVe for $2.79. Check IBOTTA. Check your digital coupons. Do you have coupons or rebates to go with this? A lot of like little lip oil, lip masks, the fancier stuff. Yeah, they're clearing it out, so it probably wasn't big sellers. We also have this Gold Bond at 50% off for $7.49 and a Lubriderm for $7.99. Some stores even cheaper. And then this thing, really, really fantastic. A 32 count of all these different face masks for $7.49. That is 50% off. I think this must have been from Christmas, but I might be wrong. It looks interesting. We have 50% off for this 5 count of the Airwick. That's old packaging. The new packaging for this is a 4 count. Keep that in mind. And the Olive and June, this is a very costly brand. This is originally $19.99, 75% off for $4.99. It's a little manicure set, but it gets better. Lots of I think this is a gel-based polish, so they have the different top coats and the undercoats, all for $2.99 right now at this one store. When it goes to 90%, and there were so many there, like the display was just brimming with them. I think the average person's like Sally Hansen or nothing, or Essie or nothing. I definitely want to try these, but they have some nice muted colors. They have gorgeous metallics. So for $2, I will absolutely be trying this. So definitely the cosmetic aisle, the nail care aisle. Don't be shy to look through those aisles, and skincare and food, especially coffee. That's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.